Cautions: put in a maximum of 1 kilogram at a time and a maximum of 2 kilograms per day. Do not enlarge non-food waste such as cylinder bowls, seeds, metal, glass, napkins, and other non-bio waste. Please cut the long and bulky bio waste as small or short as possible and put it in. Use indoors. Use in ventilated areas. Use away from water. Use away from open flame. Use in a stable place. Do not use the same power supply with multiple appliances. For food waste with too much moisture, sieve the moisture and put it in. When there is dust or foreign matter on the filter, please use a soft brush or cloth to clean it. If the byproduct reaches the maximum indicator line, clean the byproduct to the stirring shelf position. Whatever your question, please visit our website or scan the QR code to contact us. We are always at your service.